I honestly got so bored with new releases that I just had to subscribe to Budget Box from Plouise. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Juliana. Welcome to my first unboxing video on this channel. So Plouise offers a monthly subscription for a budget box, and the budget box costs £30. So you pay £30 and then £1 for delivery, and this is the box it came in. So you can choose to buy a one-off box or subscribe monthly and cancel anytime, or do like a 1-year subscription or 6 months, I think it is. But basically the ball is in your court. You can cancel at any time. So at the moment I'm doing an ongoing one until I get dissatisfied, then I'm going to cancel my subscription. Alright, so this is the first one I got this about, I want to say 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, possibly 2 weeks ago, but it came in around the time that there was heat wave in UK, so there was no chance I was going to film with this box. I was hoping to actually do a video with a box, but it was just too hot, so I couldn't do it. But as they say, it's better late than never. So we're going to be unboxing my budget box, my June budget box from Plouise today. So I don't know if you can see. So this is the inside of the box. I've already started using 2 things because I couldn't wait. But anyway, let's get into the box. Alright, it comes with a card. So the card says, welcome to this month's Barbados, an exclusive first look into our beauty in the breakup collection. So she came out with a new palette this month and some other things. Anyway, the theme of the new release was called breakup, so I think that's where the box is coming from. Basically everything in this box is themed after the new release. Alright, the first thing is a bubble bath, and on it says last 3 times longer than your ex. Anyway, that's what it says, and it says sin softener, soaking away the sins of you, feeling clean babe, your exit is overdue. It also says scent the sweet smell of getting over it. So it's really themed after getting over your ex or something, or getting over your breakup. So that's what it is. But one thing I know is it smells so lovely. I use it for a shower, I don't use it for a bath, but I mean you can use it for a shower, you can use it for a bath. That's the way I see it. Yeah, it's very soapy and it lasts for a long time. It's got a lot of bubbles and it smells, honestly, it smells so good, so good. I don't know what exactly, I don't know, I haven't used anything that is similar to the smell, but it smells really lovely. I don't know what to describe it as. So for me, this was a real win. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I saw it on Instagram, you know, them showing the bottle, but I wasn't expecting it to be this big. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. I really love this one. Alright, the second thing I'm going to be unboxing, this one again I have used, and this is the extractor. So it's like your extractor. So extractor, erase your hex. It says, okay, it says the Plouise extractor, extract those bad vibes and erase your ex. It's time to move on. It's so perfectly themed. I think a lot of thought went into this, really, because it's actually meant to remove swatches. So you know, like when you swatch on your arm and you put this on, oh my, and then you use a wipe, it just literally wipes everything off. It's so good. I'm just gonna do a quick demo with a palette. So this is the palette on my eye, by the way. It's the new Beauty Bay New Mood palette. Now this blue is really pigmented, so you have your swatches all over your hand, and then this is the substance. I don't think you can, I'll just see if I can. It's white really, so you wouldn't see it. So this is what it looks like. So you meant to kind of like put it, and you see how it just melts the color. No matter how pigmented that shade is, it literally just melts. Oh, I've been loving this. You know, all the Instagram swatches I do, I just put this over it and it melts all the shade. And then what you do is take your wipe. I mean, even the ones on my fingers have already melted, so I'm just gonna kind of like wipe this. So you take your wipe and you just kind of like use it to scoop the colors. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. I think so far so good. I mean, I've only used 2 things in the box. This one is so far my favorite. I mean, look at that. That shade was really pigmented. I don't know if you've watched the look, but as you see in the video, it was a really pigmented shadow. I mean, look at that, all gone. It's so amazing, especially when you are trying to clean off shimmers. Oh, every speck just melts and comes away with the wipe. It also comes with a little thing for you to scoop the, I don't know what to call it, balm. Yeah, it comes with a scoop. You just literally take what you need and, you know, put it on your arm and use it to melt all the shadows. And then the cover also has some sort of I want to say plastic inside that makes it so easy to lift it up. So once it's closed, it's so easy to kind of pop it out. So a lot of thought went into this, honestly. It's such a carefully well thought of product. The packaging, everything is just so good. Alright, so back into the container, and then it's got its own cover. Honestly, our packaging is just amazing. Plouise is the best when it comes to packaging. Alright, I'm literally just opening this one, and it's called Patch Up Your Feelings, Meet Your Patch. I think they're eye patches. I've never used an eye patch before, so I really don't know, you know, how I'm going to use this or whether it works or not. So there are 5 packs inside, so that's what it looks like. So it's a pair, so one for each eye. According to the box, it says brightens up your under eye, hides the heartbreak, revitalizes and rejuvenate. Is a pun of a product, as in something to use after your breakup, really. But it's meant to brighten the under eye. I think I'm gonna really love this one because I've got dark circles, so hopefully it does brighten my eye. But I'll give you an update after using them. I mean, so far so good. Everything inside the box is useful to me. I mean, what I'm scared of is buying something I already have, or something that is not useful to me, like something that is not suited to a dark skin tone person. I'm hoping that doesn't happen, but I had to give it a chance. I just had to give it a chance. Alright, 3 more things in the box, and this one is makeup sponges. So it says the soak is on you. Oh my days. That is really funny. So it's different sizes. So you've got like your under eye or whatever it is, maybe brow blending ones, these little ones. I never know what to do with the little ones. Then it's got like 3 big ones. So they've got like different shapes. So this one is like sharp-ended. I don't know what you would do with this. I would have to read the instruction, because normally with sponge, you know, one hand is either blunt or round, but this is like the same shape. So, well, usable size for under your eye, I don't know. Then this is like a medium-sized one. And then finally, like one to kind of like cut the side of your cheek. So I don't know what to do with this one. Is you can use it to kind of shapen your nose or the side of your cheek. Then it's got like a bottom one, so literally you can use that to blend your contour. So yeah, then this one will be quite useful when I do eventually start using them. I don't know, pink. I always find it difficult to use pink sponges, because I mean they're gonna get very dirty easily. And then the last 2 things in the box are both primers. So one of them is a hydrating primer, and then the second one is a pore perfecting primer. So the hydrating primer is called Hydrate the Heartbreak. I don't know how you can hydrate heartbreak, but that's the name of the primer. And the other one is called Block or Clock. So it says Pore Perfecting Primer. Again, I haven't used either of these 2, but I am so excited about this too. Even though I have oily skin, I always like to hydrate my skin before I use any mattifying primer. And then I'm always needing a pore perfecting primer because I've got pores, especially on my nose. Oh, it's got pump. I always like ones that has pump. Yeah, less hassle. So it's got pump, at least on the pore perfecting one. Let me open the hydrating one. Right, that has a pump as well. I am so excited, honestly, so excited. I'm hoping that next month is as good as this as well. So this is what the hydrating one looks like. So it's just like your typical moisturizer. So I'll expect it to just kind of like sink into the skin. I mean, she's coming out with a new palette, the green one, the money something, the green one. So I'm hoping. I know the palette cannot come in the box because the box is too small. but I know that she's coming out with the Stack Them Up, 2 of the Stack Them Up palettes. I think she already has 3. She's created another 2 for this new release, so hopefully those ones come in the box. So I'm going to buy the big green one, but I'm not going to buy the small one just in case they're in the box, and I don't want to be like repeating items. Alright, the pore perfecting one is taking its time to come out, so this should be thicker if it's supposed to fill your pores. So that's what the pore perfecting one is. So yeah, it's definitely thicker. So for me, I just kind of like tap to close up the pores temporarily at least. Yeah, oh, that's beautiful. That's disappeared on my skin. Alright, so those are all the things I got in the June budget box from Plouise. So for me, the most exciting items are these 3 things. The balm to melt makeup, and then the 2 primers in the box. Yeah, those are my favorites. I love everything that was in the box, but these 3 are my top ones out of all the 6. Alright, as this is my first unboxing video, let me know what you think of the format. Did I kind of like go too deep into the products? So if you just want me to show you the items and not really demonstrate them, please let me know. Well, that brings us to the end of this unboxing video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you on this platform. And until next time, I'll see you.